All right, so someone recommended if I wanted a really good iris fragrance, this is their favorite iris fragrance. It is from Davidoff. It's called The Game. I actually went on Amazon and I found the last one that they had, so I bought it. Now, are there more on there? Maybe there's more now. I don't know, but I got it. So, tell you what, let's unbox it and see what I think. This is my second Davidoff. So far, I just have cool water. Ugh. There we go. So I paid about $30 for this. Let's see. It's supposed to be a really good iris. I love Le Male Parfum. I love Prada Luna Rose, or Prada L'Homme Intense, Prada L'Homme, and then the whole Dior Homme line and Gentleman Reserve Privé. So let's see how this one compares with them. So I was told the cool thing about it, it looks like a bunch of poker chips, which, I mean, it does. So let's see what this smells like. Ugh. If I can get the lid off. Wow. Okay, that was on there like, I don't know how tight that is. All right, tell you what, I'm gonna spray it on the, you know what, screw it. I'm just gonna spray right on the arm. All right, we'll let that, I'm gonna put the lid back on and probably never open this again. Let's see if I'll be able to open it in the future. If it ever makes a list, you'll know I was able to reopen it. All right, so there's the box. Let's see what it smells like. So it's like super classy, super gentleman-like. Not like Gentleman Reserve or Gentleman like from Givenchy, just like a gentleman would wear this. You know, it's a great office fragrance. It is similar to your like Prada L'Homme type of fragrance, not the soapy or the same scent. I mean, again, I'm comparing it to a fragrance in the way it feels, not the way it actually smells, which is probably a horrible way of reviewing a fragrance because you're going to be like buying it going, it smells nothing like that. I'm like, yeah, I know. But it has, I gotta say, for iris, I'm not getting a ton of iris in this. I get iris, but like, this is more like how maybe Prada, or not Prada, how JPG Le Male Parfum has iris in it. Like, is there iris? Yes. It's not heavy iris. So I wouldn't get this saying this is the best iris fragrance. It does have a very nice clean note to it. There's something like this. I have a fragrance similar to this. And it's going to bother me. Oh. Oh, I think I know what it is. It's actually right here. This is going to seem like a setup, but it's not. This is my scent of the day. Yeah, it's similar to Dylan Blue. That's what it is. It's like a soapier iris version of Dylan Blue. That is totally what this fragrance smells like to me. Okay, that's exactly. Again, it's gonna seem like a setup, but I swear, I just did a TikTok live, and my followers picked out Dylan Blue for me to wear today. That's the only reason it's down here. Oh, the more I'm smelling, the more I'm liking this. And again, I mean, love it or hate it, it is a unique looking fragrance bottle. It does on the bottom kind of have Davidoff The Game. I don't know if you can see that. The like fourth the bottom chip. The lid doesn't exactly completely seal, like you can kind of see through it. But let's see if I can take it off again. Oh my gosh. I could see this pulling the collar off. Like, my goodness, this thing clicks into place and it doesn't want to let go. I'm trying to see if there's like anything in the cap. I mean, I see where it clicks in, but man, I don't get it. I don't get it. This may be one that I just like do like that. Set it on top and don't push it all the way down. But, oh well, I clicked it back in place. Yeah, I'm digging it. I'm really digging it. This may be a strong summer fragrance for me this year. This actually could be a big one for me. Add it in, because again, I like Missoni Wave and Dylan Blue. Those are the two I wear like all summer long. This may get put into the equation. So I don't know if you can find it. I paid $30 for this on Amazon. It was the last one that person had in stock, or Amazon had in stock. I'm not sure who I bought it from even. You know, sometimes when you buy on Amazon, you're buying it from someone else and you don't realize that. But if I'd actually looked, I could tell you, but I didn't pay any attention. I saw it, clicked, bought, moved on. It was actually purchased during a live. So maybe not the best time to be shopping. Oh, I'm liking it. So I'll see how performance is, and maybe this will make some lists later on this year when I'm talking about best summer fragrance. So this is Nubs Fragrance. Thank you so much for watching this video. Appreciate everything you're doing. Thanks for following the channel. Can't wait to talk to you in the future.